everyone, welcome to SJ Infinity Max. Today we are going to solve the remaining 6 questions of question number 3. Let us start now. So the question number 7 is, if 2y equal to root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1, show that 4x square minus 1 y2. y2 is d square y by dx square plus 4x y1. y1 is dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Let us differentiate with respect to x first. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 2 dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x plus 1, and the derivative of x plus 1 is 1, plus 1 upon 2 root x minus 1. Again the derivative of x minus 1 is 1. Now let us cross multiply this. Take half common. This will be root x minus 1 plus root x plus 1 upon root of x plus 1 into x minus 1. This can be written as root x square minus 1. This is equal to half. Denominator is root x square minus 1 because x plus 1 into x minus 1, that is a plus b into a minus b, is a square minus b square. And see the numerator, this root x minus 1 and plus root x plus 1 is nothing but your 2y. So write 2y. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will be left with y upon root x square minus 1. Let us cross multiply this. So this is 2 root x square minus 1 dy by dx equal to 1. Now we have 4 and x square minus 1. So we have to square on both sides. Squaring both sides, we get 4 x square minus 1 dy by dx the whole square equal to y square. 4 x square minus 1 dy by dx the whole square is equal to y square. Now again we are going to differentiate this with respect to x. Then we will get our answer. Differentiating with respect to x. So we get 4 as a constant, keep it out, x square minus 1 into 2 times dy by dx, and the derivative of dy by dx is d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx the whole square into the derivative of x square minus 1 is 2x. This 4 is common for both the term, so put it in a bigger bracket, and this is equal to 2y dy by dx. Okay. Similar to the previous question solved, we are going to take 2 dy by dx common and cancel throughout. So we will be having 4x square minus 1 d square y upon dx square plus this 4 will go inside, so 4x dy by dx, and this plus y can be taken to the LHS, so it becomes minus y. But we require the answer in terms of y2 and y1. So convert this. Therefore 4x square minus 1 y2 plus 4x y1 minus y equal to 0, hence show. And here is our solution. See, very easy it was. So once you start practicing, it will become more easier than this. So just we are going to differentiate with respect to x, resubstitute for y, that is we have 2y over here, then squaring both sides, differentiate again with respect to x, hence show. No need for LHS. Okay. Hope you understood this. Now we can move on to the question number 8. Okay, see the question number 8. If y equal to log x plus root of x square plus a square raised to m, show that x square plus a square d square y upon dx square plus x dy by dx is equal to 0. See, just we are going to differentiate the function twice and we will be getting our answer. See, this is a log function. So this power m can be taken in multiplication. Therefore, y equal to m log x plus root of x square plus a square. Okay. Only this simplification you have to start with it. Then start differentiating. Differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, m is your constant, keep it out. And derivative of log x is 1 by x, that is 1 by x plus root x square plus a square into the derivative of x plus root x square plus a square. That is equal to m upon x plus root x square plus a square into derivative of x will be 1 and derivative of root of x square plus a square will be 1 by 2 root x square plus a square. Multiplied with the derivative of x square, that is 2x. And the derivative of a square will be 0. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. M upon x plus root x square plus a square, cross multiply this. So we get root of x square plus a square plus x upon root x square plus a square. So you can see that root of x square plus a square plus x is getting cancelled. So this is equal to m by root x square plus a square, cross multiply. Therefore, root x square plus a square dy by dx is equal to m. From this step onwards, we are going to follow the similar pattern, that is squaring on both sides and differentiating. Squaring both sides. Now start differentiating this again with respect to x. First of all, square both sides. So this is x square plus a square dy by dx the whole square is equal to m square. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, x square plus a square as it is, this will be 2 dy by dx d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx the whole square into 2x. Because derivative of x square will be 2x and a square will be 0. And derivative of m square is 0. Now we can cancel out 2 dy by dx throughout. Therefore, x square plus a square dy by dx plus x dy by dx equal to 0. See, our answer is here and showed. Okay. Once you follow the pattern properly, you will be getting the answer very easily and simply. Okay. Please note down every problem in your notebook and practice it again and again. Now let us move on to the next question. So this is a 9th question. If y equal to sine m cos inverse x, then show that 1 minus x square d square y upon dx square minus x dy by dx plus m square y equal to 0. You can easily notice that the solution is almost the same for all the question. Just we need to modify the question properly to get our answer. So in question number 9, I am going to give you a hint. You are going to solve. The hint is, take the sign to the LHS it will become sin inverse y equal to m cos inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x first. So the derivative of sin inverse y will be 1 upon root 1 minus y square dy by dx, and the derivative of cos inverse x will be minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Then we are going to square both sides. Once the squaring is done, you will be almost about to get your answer by cancelling out some common factors. Okay, hope you are getting this. Please solve it yourself. I will solve question number 10 now. The question is, if y equal to log of log 2x, show that xy2 plus y1, 1 plus xy1 equal to 0. Okay, that is the y2 is d square y by dx square and the y1 is dy by dx. Okay, the question is simple, quite simple. We have to find the derivative first. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So here we can use that. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon log 2x, and the derivative of log 2x is 1 by 2x, and the derivative of 2x is 2. So the answer is 1 by x log 2x. Now let us differentiate this. Now take this log 2x to the LHS. Therefore log 2x dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Now differentiate this with respect to x again. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore this is in the form of a product. Therefore log 2x into derivative of dy by dx is d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx into derivative of log 2x is 1 upon 2x into 2. This is equal to derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square. See here, in place of 1 by x we are going to substitute log 2x dy by dx, then cancel log 2x dy by dx throughout. Therefore log 2x into d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx into, this 2 is getting cancelled and 1 by x is log 2x dy by dx is equal to, this is minus 1 upon x into 1 by x. In place of 1 by x we are going to substitute this. That is log 2x dy by dx. See, cancel out log 2x throughout. We get d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx the whole square equal to minus 1 upon x dy by dx. Just cross multiply x first. Therefore we get x d square y upon dx square plus x dy by dx, and this minus dy by dx can be taken here, so it will become plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore x, this is y2 plus, take dy by dx common, this is y1, and we are left with 1 plus x y1 equal to 0. Hence show. See, we have cross multiplied with x, so we got x d square y upon dx square plus x dy by dx the whole square, and this minus is taken to the LHS, it becomes plus dy by dx. Then we are substituting d square y upon dx square as y2, dy by dx as y1. Here dy by dx is common and we are left with 1 plus x y1. We have rearranged this. Okay. Hope the solution is clear. Now we can move on to the next question. Okay, see question number 12. if x equal to a sin t minus b cos t, y equal to a cos t plus b sin t, show that d square y upon dx square is equal to minus x square plus y square upon y cube. So this question is very easy to solve. When you find dy by dx, it will become minus x upon y. Then you find d square y upon dx square using u upon v rule. Then you will get the answer like this. Okay. I will solve question number 11 now. Okay, differentiate with respect to x first. Therefore 2x plus, this is a product. So take 6 in the, write it in a bracket. This is x dy by dx plus y. Derivative of x is 1 plus 2y dy by dx. Derivative of 10 is 0. Now collect the dy by dx terms on one side, other terms on the other side. Therefore 2x plus 6x dy by dx plus 6y plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore 6x plus 2y dy by dx plus 2x plus 6y equal to 0. Take the bracket terms to the RHS. Okay, dy by dx is equal to minus 2x plus 6y upon 6x plus 2y. Take 2 common. So minus x plus 3y upon 3x plus y. Now differentiate again with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore d square y upon dx square is equal to, keep the minus sign outside the bracket, 3x plus y the whole square, 3x plus y, derivative of x is 1 and 3 dy by dx minus x plus 3y, and derivative of 3x plus y is 3 plus dy by dx. Okay. Now keep the minus 3x plus y minus 1 upon 3x plus y the whole square term out. So this is minus 1 upon 3x plus y the whole square. Okay, now substitute for dy by dx. So this is 3x plus y 1 plus 3 minus x plus 3y upon 3x plus y minus x plus 3y 3 plus, again substitute for dy by dx, that is minus x plus 3y upon 3x plus y. Keep the minus 1 upon 3x plus y the whole square term out. 3x plus y. Now cross multiply this. So this will become 3x plus y minus 3x plus 9y upon 3x plus y. Minus 9y upon 3x plus y minus x plus 3y into, cross multiply, 9x plus 3y minus x minus 3y upon 3x plus y. So here 3x will get cancelled. Here 3y and 3y will get cancelled. 3x plus y will get cancelled. So this is equal to minus 1 upon 3x plus y the whole square into y minus 9y is minus 8y minus x plus 3y into 9x minus x is 8x upon 3x plus y. Now cross multiply this again. Minus 1 upon 3x plus y the whole square. This is minus 24xy minus 8y square minus 8x square and minus 24xy upon 3x plus y. This is equal to minus 1 upon 3x plus y the whole square, and this is minus 8x square minus 48xy and minus 8y square upon 3x plus y. Take minus common, minus into minus will become plus, and take a 8 common. This is 8 into x square plus 6xy plus y square upon 3x plus y the whole cube. 3x plus y the whole square into 3x plus y. See, from the question you can see that x square plus 6xy plus y square equal to 10. So this is 8 into 10 upon 3x plus y the whole cube, that is equal to 80 upon 3x plus y the whole cube. Hence shown. First you have to find the first derivative, then the second derivative. Then using dy by dx and the data given in the question, we have proved this. So hope the solution is clear. The answer is quite lengthy, but the simplification is not at all difficult. Please practice it again and again. So here we completed the remaining 6 questions of question number 3. Our question number 3 is complete now. Okay. In the next video, we will solve question number 4. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Take care and bye bye.